right, I just got a delivery, some SKAR audio. A monoblock 800 amplifier for this 10-inch sub. All marine grade. Yeah, it comes with a stencil. Oh, look at this bad boy. Holy moly, man. What do you think? Dang, look at this beast. Oh yeah. 4 ohm, 1000 watts. Dude, this thing's gonna rip. Got some 8-inch full range speakers. Yeah. RMS on that sub, 500 watts, all waterproof. See what this mono block's looking like. 800 watt mono block. All right. Oh, dude, this thing is gonna rip. Also, not very big. I'm gonna run these 8s off this full range 4-channel marine amp. $1,000 watt RMS, 4-channel. Oh yeah, man, look at this bad boy. Put 6 of these in there behind my back seat. Woo-hoo-hoo. Look at these bad boys. Sweet. Let's go. This boat's gonna be bumping. Team Stockton Jet Boats.